Hey everybody, in this video we are fixing the problem where your Steam store is not loading properly. So let's go through this step. So first of all, if you have opened up the Steam application on your screen, the thing you can do is you can restart your Steam. So if you have opened Steam, you can close it up completely. You can right click on Steam and you can find this option for close. You can just go and click on close and that should close the Steam completely on your device. After that, you can just go ahead and open up the Steam again and see if the store loads up again on your screen. And that is it. Apart from that, once you open up Steam, what you can do is you can even clear Steam web browser. Open up Steam and go to the Steam option at the top and click on it. And once you click on it, select the option of settings from the given menu and open it up. After you open it up, you can just go over to this option called in-game from the given menu and click on it. And once you click on it, you can select the option for deleting the web browser cache. So find this option right here and look out for this delete option right beside it. After that, confirm it up. And when you confirm it up, you just need to go ahead and restart the Steam again, and that should fix your issue. Apart from that, what we can do is we can change the Steam web rendering. So open up Steam once again, and once you open up Steam, you can go to your settings, head over to Steam at the top, click on it, and from there go over to settings and open it up. And from settings, go to interface option here and open it up. And from here, you can just go ahead and disable the GPU accelerated rendering in web view. So you can toggle this option right off. And once it is confirmed, you can just go ahead and restart your Steam. And that should do it for you. And also you can try flushing the Steam config. So hit Windows plus R for that. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and type in Steam and column. After that, you can type in and you can just go ahead and type in flush config. Just go ahead and type in this code and hit enter. And the Steam will reset configuration and your games won't be deleted, so do not worry about it. And also try updating or reinstalling Steam. Check for Steam updates, and that's it. Your Steam store should now load normally, and that should fix your issue for you. So that's it, guys. You may follow up this method. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe.